Your food processor won't turn on? All KitchenAid food processors and choppers have a safety interlock which prevents the food processor from turning on if not properly assembled. There are several ways to assemble a KitchenAid food processor depending upon your model, so it's important to identify yours and follow the instructions for that particular model. We'll go through some tips and tricks today to help you get processing. Now we'll go through the assembly of several different models of KitchenAid food processors. If your model looks like this, you'll first take the work bowl and put the handle at the 8 o'clock position and slide it forward to the 6 o'clock position, making sure it's centered and locks into place. Drop the multi-purpose blade into the work bowl. Attach the lid, which is also called the work bowl cover, by sliding it from left to right, 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock position, so that it engages with the base. Some model food processors have an ultra-wide feed tube. With the ultra-wide feed tubes, it's very important to not only assemble it properly, but it's important to note that you must engage the feed tube pusher in order for it to turn on. If your model looks like this, first you want to place the work bowl on the base, sliding the handle from the left to right. Place the blade into the bowl. Note that it's important for this model to push down firmly. You'll hear a slight click and feel it lock into place. And attach the lid, which is also called a work bowl cover, by sliding it from left to right so that it engages with the base.